Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be back. It's been a little while, I know, but I have been seeing so many beautiful changes in the design world lately that I just had to come here and talk to you guys about it. You know how some homes just feel expensive, right? Like you walk in and it feels very peaceful, very high-end, and just really well put together. But you can't quite put your finger on that why. Well, design is shifting. We are moving from those cold, flat looks into something much more warmer and more soulful. So today I want to walk you through those simple ways to give your home a 2026 glow up and make it look incredibly high-end while staying on a sensible budget. So let's get into it. The power of mushroom. Let's talk about color. If you have been following the trends, you know that white and gray have had a long run. But right now, it's all about what I call the mushroom palette. It's gorgeous, earthy mix of beige and taupe that feels so much more sophisticated and inviting. Just switching to a warmer, neutral on your walls or even in your pillows can instantly make a room feel like custom designed. It's a total game changer for the vibe of your home. Play with textures. Next is something I am obsessed with is texture. One of the secrets to a high-end look is making sure the room doesn't feel one note. If you have a smooth sofa, try adding a chunky knit throw or some heavy linen curtains. Mix in a bit of velvet or maybe a textured boucle chair. When you layer these different feels together, the room starts to look very curated and expensive because it has got depth in it now. It's less about the color and more about how the room feels when you look at it. Add a piece with a story. Something I always tell my clients is that every room needs a bit of soul. Now, if everything in your house is brand new from this big store, it can feel a bit like furniture catalog. Sorry to say. To get that high-end old money feel, you need one unique piece. Maybe it's like a vintage brass tray you picked up from a thrift store or a hand-carved wooden bowl. That little bit of character makes the whole room feel more intentional and personal. It is that storyteller piece that makes people think that you really hired a designer. The golden hour glow. Okay, let's talk about lighting because this is the easiest fix ever. If you have those bright blue-white bulbs in your ceiling, try swapping them out with warm white. It sounds like a very small thing, but I assure you, it changes everything. It gives your home this soft golden hour glow that makes your furniture look so much better. It is like putting a beautiful soft filter over your life. It makes the evening feel much more luxurious and cozy. Greenery with intention. I love plants, but instead of just scattering one here, one there, try grouping them together. I like to call this the Oasis rule. Get a few plants of different heights and put them in some nice stone or terracotta pots. Now, what it does when you cluster them, it looks like a very deliberate design choice rather than just a hobby. It brings so much life and energy into the room, and those natural textures in the pots really help to sell that high-end look. Setting the mood. Now, an expensive looking home isn't just about what you see. It's all about the whole atmosphere. I always have some calm music playing in the background while I'm having my tea. And I tell you, it really sets the tone. Add a subtle scent, something like sandalwood or cedar, and suddenly your home feels like a sanctuary. It's those invisible details that really make a space feel like a five-star hotel. The final polish. And finally, look at your jewelry, the hardware. If your cabinet handles or dresser knobs are feeling a bit dated, swapping them off with something a bit more modern, like matte brass or sleek black finish, can make a huge difference. It's such a small project, but it's that final polish that makes everything looks brand new and high-end quality. It really is all in the details. So those are my 7 tips for a beautiful elevated home. I really believe you don't need to spend a fortune to live in a space that feels luxurious. I would love to hear from you. Which of these was your favorite? Or do you have a go-to trick for making your home feel special? Let me know in the comments, and I love reading all your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.